Hello kids, let's learn about some shapes and color name. These are our colors and these are our shapes. These are our colors. It is blue color. It is purple color. It is yellow color. Red color. It is violet color. It is green color. It is black color. Let us draw these shapes. It is heart. It is equilateral triangle. Its three sides are equal. It is hexagon. It has 6 sides. It is a 5-pointed star. It is a square. It is circle. Let us color these shapes. It is red color. This shape is heart. It is green color. It is equilateral triangle. It has 3 sides. It is blue color. It is hexagon and it has 6 sides. It is yellow color. This shape is 5-pointed star. It has 5 points. It is purple color. It is square. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is violet color. It is circle. It has no side. It is heart. It is red color. Equilateral triangle, green color. Hexagon, blue color. 5-pointed star, yellow color. Square, purple color. Circle, violet color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.